Atlanta, Georgia is keeping this dead nurse alive for months so that she can incubate a 9-week-old fetus. Her name was Adriana Smith, and she died back in February. Her story is so tragic. It all starts with her boyfriend taking her to the hospital because she's having the most extreme headache she's ever had in her life. And according to her mom, they don't do much.
They gave her some medication, but they didn't do any tests. Didn't do any CT scans. If they did, they would have caught it.
And then later that night, her boyfriend notices that she's having trouble breathing and not responsive, so he rushes her to Emory University Hospital where
They did a CT scan and she had blood clots all in her head.
So it sounds like the ED is central venous sinus thrombosis, CVST. It happens in pregnant women during the first trimester because they're more hypercoagulable, and so they'll end up clotting in the drainage system of the brain. And what happens is blood can flow in, but it can't flow out, and so that causes fluid to build up and a high pressure that can be deadly. This is something we learn about and should not have been missed. And the craziest thing is while they ignored the first trimester pregnancy and her first visit, they're not ignoring it now. That's because Georgia passed a heartbeat bill, so any fetus after 6 weeks isn't allowed to be terminated unless the mom's health is in grave danger, and Emory ruled because she was already dead that it's more important to just have her incubate the fetus. So now her fetus is 21 weeks old and they plan on keeping her until it's 32 weeks old before they induce. And just to make things more tragic, her son visits every day and has been told she's sleeping. And her mom explains where they're at now.
So we're going to have the responsibility with her partner to raise her sons, you know? And I'm not saying that we would have chose to terminate her pregnancy. What I'm saying is we should have had a choice.
And can you imagine the hospital bill for a 6-month stay plus labor and delivery?